Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? In this video today we're gonna talk about a software tool called Burp and how we're gonna install this using VirtualBox. We're going to be discussing about different threats that it can cause to your computer and how we can actually use this to monitor security threats. Burp is a tool that is used for testing web application, and we'll be discussing about its features and mitigating factors in the further video. We'll be discussing about the network software security package Burp in VirtualBox, and then there's different tasks and threat, and explain how this can be used to monitor. So we just open the VirtualBox first and then press on new. Name our file Kali Linux, and then select the version type to Ubuntu 64 bits. Yeah, we just click the next button after that and give our file the required size. Yeah, so click on next, next, and then just create. So we just run the server. Yeah, so we can just select to local disk and Kali Linux disk image and open there. So yeah, open. Yeah, and then we just wait for our server to run. So yeah, we're trying to install a software security management tool called Burp. Burp is used for testing web applications. Yeah, so different tasks that Burp can perform includes intercepting, intruding, requesting, and yeah, site mapping. So there are different threat factors of using these tools that mitigates different aspects. We will be discussing about that in our presentation further. So yeah, we just wait for our server to run. It takes a bit of a time. Yeah, the mitigating factors of Burp is it helps in intercepting and intruding of the router configuration that might be able to get the information and thing of the routers, map the site. Yeah, so we just open the terminal after that and write down our commands to install Burp. So we're talking about the threat factors of using Burp tool, right? So yeah. So yeah, so Burp is basically an integrated platform that we can use for performing security testings of web applications. So yeah, uh, its various tools are used to work seamlessly together to support the entire testing from initial mapping and analysis of an application's attack surface through to finding and exploiting security vulnerabilities. In order to make Burp work, we need to configure the browser to work with it. Yeah, so we're nearly done with the commands to install our Burp in our VirtualBox. Yeah. Yeah, so we just click on the next, and then it's ready to install. Finish. So yeah, there are like risks involved when scanning a product environment. Like any security testing software, Burp contains functionality that can damage target systems. So this is the mitigating factor of Burp. So testing for security flaws inherently might involve interacting with targets in non-standard ways. So that can cause problems in some vulnerable targets. So these are the threats that using Burp can cause. Yep, so once it is installed, we just open the Burp and you see it's open now. mm, yeah. So when we normally run the browser such as youtube.com without configuring the browser, you see it runs smoothly with no problem. So yeah, we just close this and go back to Burp Suite. Yep. So you see, so we can see the HTTP packets that are being mapped. We can see the proxy. Yeah. So when we turn the intercepting on in the Burp Suite, when the browser is configured with it, and then go back to the browser and enter any website, so this wix.com, you see we cannot access the site. It says your connection is not secure. That's because the intercepting is on. So if you go back to Burp Suite and turn off the interception, we'll be able to access the website with any problem again as it is. So I hope that you guys have an idea about how Burp Suite works and how it helps you to test the web applications. So I hope that this video is helpful for you guys, and you guys can get more information about it in different sources. That's for today. Thank you.